welcome back to one more live of Pure Price Action. So आज हम market analysis करेंगे. As you can see, I haven't take any trade till now. तो अभी मेरा एक trade plan हुआ है. If market comes to this level, अगर 68,000 पर market वापस आती है, then I'll have one selling trade. क्योंकि as you can see, market is forming lower lows. One more time low. So I am expecting अगर market यहाँ ऊपर तक आए, then I short it very easily. Okay. वैसे ये this is a strategy also. My voice is also clear. So well, this is also a strategy that I use to sell the markets. Okay. So let's start the analysis. Why I have this view. First of all, I'll tell you why I am thinking like this. उसके लिए हम पहले daily time frame पे जाएंगे. So as you can sorry. So as you can see in the daily time frame, okay, I have a very crazy view about the market just because of this. Look at this. At this point, market went up, okay, try to break this level, but it fails, okay, it fails and it falls very drastically, okay. And then second time market also try to break this levels, okay, but it fails and it falls very fast, okay. Third time it also came up, okay, at this point, and it's again failed and it also came very fast, okay. At this point, I am thinking it is going to make a new low, but it didn't do that, okay. Then one more time, market tried to give one more bullish move, but it also fails. And this time a bit a small move, but there is a one bearish move. Okay. And this is one more time, market tried to break one more time this previous levels, but it also fails. It seems like it fails one more time, and now it's going down. Okay. So if tomorrow's candle continues, breaks the low of today's candle, and it continues to make a one more low, so that is what I am expecting at the level of 66,000 something, and on this basis I have put my order on 68,000. Okay. This is what I would love to trade. Okay. Or as you can see in my previous trade, I have captured almost around 2,800 points in BTC. So I love to do positional trading. Okay. If you go and watch my uh, what I would say, if you go and watch my community post, there you will get to know that how big points, how big trends I captured. Okay, so my voice, my voice is clear. I think if my voice is clear, send a thumbs up in the chat. So I think it's clear. Yeah. So now let's start. So yeah, chat, yeah, this is clear. Now let's start with the analysis. Okay. So you have seen what I have planned in BTC. That is my plan right now. If market, I have a, I have a very great tendency that market will break the low of today's candle and it will give me a new low. Okay. On that basis, I have taken this trade. Okay. So now there is a possibility that market will. Okay, there is a possibility. I am not denying this because market stretch a bit more. यहाँ से लेकर यहाँ तक market थोड़ा ज़्यादा stretch कर चुका है, and there is a possibility कि market थोड़ा और ऊपर stretch करे and it can be hit the SL of this trade, and uh, in the morning at 5 or 6 it can also give me one more selling sign, and I would love to sell one more time. If this trade ends up in ISL, then I will definitely gonna take another trade if market gives me some indication to sell the market. Okay, so I am very bearish in the BTC as I have told you. Okay, so now we can move to gold because gold is not moving that much good in this week. Okay, and और गोल्ड में आई थिंक इस बार मेरी स्ट्रैटेजी बहुत ज़्यादा काम करी विच आई हैव टोल्ड यू दैट वन that है मॉर्निंग स्ट्रैटेजी विच यू हैव टू वेक अप एट 3-4 in the morning, तब जाके आप उसको कैप्चर कर पाते हैं. ओके, so I think that works very fruitful this time. As you can see, market breaks at this level, this level, and gives a very good selling move. Okay, so this works most of time, this works. Okay, for now on, as you can see gold, if I turn it to daily time frame. Okay, so यूजुअली संडे को गोल्ड मूव नहीं करता है, बट ऑन द 5th अप्रैल एज यू नो दैट्स अ संडे, ओके, संडे को मूव किया, ठीक है। संडे को ये एक बीच कैंडल बना दी, जिसका मतलब है कि मार्केट गैप डाउन खुली है, ठीक है। मंडे को मार्केट थोड़ी गैप डाउन खुली, देन गिव अ क्विक रिकवरी, गैप फिल किया एंड नाउ halting at this level, okay। अब my thing is very clear at this point, okay। So I have lower levels, okay, I have lower levels now, that lower levels went up a little bit. This is where I have drawn the horizontal rays, okay। These are my levels, so now it is very simple। previous trend kya hai? Previous trend, if you go and watch the previous trend is very bullish, okay, and it's a little bit pullback. It can be a pullback or it can be a further continuation, it can be anything, okay। So अगर हम अब markets को देखें, market के structures को देखें, it is a good bullish move। market comes down, अगर ये market यहाँ पर कुछ ऐसा perform करके break करती है, then it's like what do we say that book structures, जैसे price action के structures बने होते हैं, then अगर आप फिर भी इस trade को miss कर रहे हो, then I think there is a very big problem in your basics of trading, okay। और अगर market comes and try to break it like this and try to consolidate like this, I would also love to buy, okay। यहाँ पर इस line से ऊपर मेरी I have my tendency towards buying, okay। Sell कब करूंगा? Sell is very simple, if it cross this, okay, then I would love to reach the new low 4550 या फिर 4500 तक के मेरे टारगेट्स रहेंगे, क्योंकि मैं सेल में उतना एग्रेसिव नहीं हूँ, क्योंकि मार्केट ने मार्केट हैज रिकवर्ड वेरी ग्रेट, एज यू कैन सी, लुक एट दीज पैटर्न्स। मार्केट ने एक बहुत अच्छा डब्ल्यू पैटर्न बना के रिकवर किया है, एंड आई वुड लव दिस, या दिस इज द डब्ल्यू पैटर्न, एंड नाउ इट इज कमिंग टू दिस पॉइंट, यू आर गेटिंग दिस। यहाँ पे नेकलाइन थी, नेकलाइन पे अगर नेकलाइन से बाउंस बैक करता है, इट कैन बी अ वेरी गुड मूव, इट कैन गोज अप लाइक दिस लेवल, इस लेवल ऑफ 5000 या 4900 समथिंग के लेवल तक बहुत इजी और बहुत एक अच्छा मूव आ सकता है, ओके। So this is my point of view on gold and BTC, and I'll plan gold for buying above 4705 and for selling